In this video, we'll learn about subtotal function in Excel. You might think it to be somewhat like sum of selected values. But the subtotal function is capable of much more. Apart from its ability to return a sum, it also gives us average, count, max, and several other results. But today, we will specifically focus on average and understand this function with few examples in this video. So stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. The subtotal function itself has 11 functions within it. This function always ignores values removed by autofilter. What we see here is that there are two sets of the same function numbers available. But one set includes hidden cell values while the other set excludes hidden cell values. We will learn more about this in a while. Let us start with the average within the subtotal function. So our function goes like equal to subtotal open parenthesis 1 which stands for average, comma, our amount range which is B2 till B15. We'll just freeze this range so when we copy this cell our range doesn't get disturbed. Close parenthesis, and we got the average for our amounts. Now the question is, how subtotal average function is different from regular average function? To understand this, let us get average of the same range with regular average function here. Equal to average open parenthesis B2 till B15 close parenthesis, and our result is same with both the functions. Now let us apply filter on our amount range and get only the rows which has amount greater than 6000. As we can see that the average we got with the subtotal function changed when we filtered our range. And now this function is giving us average of the remaining cells in the range. Whereas the regular average function has not changed. There is no effect on this function whether the range is filtered or not. So this is the basic difference between the regular and subtotal average function. In the subtotal function itself, there are two average functions, one with code 1 and another with code 101. We have already seen the average function with code 1. Now let us see how this function is different from the other. Let us use this function on the same range. We will just copy paste our formula and change the code from 1 to 101 and our result is same. Now let us remove the filter from our range. We can see that the result of both the average with code 1 and code 101 are still same. Now let us hide few rows from the range. And now we can see that there is mismatch in the result. What happens here is that the average function with code 1 includes the hidden rows, whereas the function with code 101 excludes them when calculating the average. Now before we conclude the video, let us sum up what we saw right now in nutshell. Regular average function calculates the average of the given range of cell irrespective of whether the range has hidden cells or range is filtered. But the average function in subtotal calculates the average of the given range of cells and both changes dynamically when the range is filtered. But when the range is not filtered, both these functions behaves differently if the range has few hidden rows. The average function with code 1 includes the hidden rows in calculation, but the function with code 101 excludes them. In case you have any query on this, do write it in the comment box below and I will try to answer them. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.